Hello dear students. Let's see GATE 2019 question asked on array and pointers. Now just check how simple this problem would be to solve once you know the fundamentals seen in the earlier videos. Okay, they are asking what will be the output of this code. Just check, one array has been declared and has been initialized. So I have shown these initialization of the array storing some values, and you also know that the name of the array ARR itself will indicate the begin address. If we assume that the begin address not given in the question, we assume some begin address is 100, then ARR is giving the base address of the array. Also importantly, there is a pointer declared. You see, this is simple int pointer. Just check, IP is a simple integer pointer and it has been initialized to ARR plus 4. You should instantly know this, that ARR plus 4 means the pointer IP will point to the fourth element of the array. Please try to understand, not third element. This IP will point to the fourth element of the array, because adding 4 to ARR means jumping to next integer 1, next integer 2, next is 3, next is 4. Note, we have jumped 4 times. Technically speaking, ARR is 100 and you are adding 4 to it. See, value of ARR is 100, that's the base address, and you are adding 4 to it. Then whatever amount every integer takes, if every integer takes 2 bytes, correct? Say, suppose every integer here 1, 2, 3, each integer takes 2 bytes. Then adding 4 to this int pointer means adding 8. So the address we will get is 108. That means IP will point to address 108, and 108 is going to be the location for this element which I am marking. But then see, in the question also they have not mentioned that how many bytes does int take. But I said, who cares? We know however number of bytes int takes, definitely ARR plus 4 means we are going offset. We are moving our offset by 4 integers. So IP will point to ARR 4. The next line is very interesting. What are we printing? You see, IP square bracket 1. Now, recall from the earlier videos, anything written like this is simply converted to IP plus 1. See, whatever is written outside the square bracket and inside the square bracket is simply added and asterisk is put before this. Why? Because this is getting printed and we have not written and before this entire thing. Just check. I hope you remember these basics. I said AI is equivalent to asterisk A plus I, and AI is equivalent to A plus I. So this is like AI, IP square bracket 1. This is equivalent to asterisk IP plus 1. First of all, find out as IP plus 1. This is again integer pointer added with 1. So integer pointer added with 1 will give us address of the next location. And asterisk before that address will give you the value. So 6 will be the output of this. Please try to understand, IP plus 1 here means we want to move by offset of 1. Wherever IP is pointing, move by offset of one integer, not by 1 byte, because we are adding 1 to an integer pointer. So this bracket is going to give us the address of fifth location, and then we are asking for the value by writing asterisk. So the output of this code is going to be 6. I hope you have understood enough, and 1 or 2 more questions similar to this which are related to array and pointers asked in GATE are coming up. Thank you very much.